everyone and welcome to today's session. I am Meenakshi Upadhyay and I have been teaching for the CAT for more than 20 years now. And today I am going to be talking about one thing which is very important in reading comprehension. The option trap. Now what is the option trap? Students come to me and they say that ma'am, I get confused between two options. I don't have accuracy in my answers. I don't know how to select the best option. So then what do? So I'll take you back to childhood. As a child, when you started solving comprehension, what do? You had the passage and you had the questions. And you had to write the answer of the question based on the story or on the passage. So there were no options there. You had to use your mind to create an answer and write it in your own words. So I will ask you to start doing the same thing. Normally people, what they do is, they read the question, they read the option, and then they try to find the option in the passage. Now see, passage has been written by somebody else. It is taken from an article or a story or something, right? Philosophy passage might have been written hundreds of years ago. The question has been set by somebody else. The option has been created by the question setter. So the style of writing of the passage will not match with the style of the options. So therefore, if you look at the option and then try to find that kind of writing in the passage, you may not find it. And you get confused because you have not decided what you are looking for in the passage. So you get confused and you may find 2-3 options close, which is what happens normally. And I think most of you will say yes to that. So then how to counter that? So when you read the passage and you read the question, don't read the option. Read the question, go back to the passage, जिस point से question पूछा गया है, that point of reference, go back to that point from where the question has been asked, and from there decide that in your option, what are you looking for? Have a mental answer. So you decide, okay, I am looking for 3 points or 4 points in my answer. Now you look at the options and you see whichever option has all your points, that will be the best answer. But if you find that you were looking for 4 points, one answer has 4 points and has got one extra point also, a 5th point. So anything extra which has not been asked is a wrong answer. Similarly, you are looking for 4 points and one option only has 2 points. So anything less, very less than what is asked is also not right. Another option you see has got something from outside which is not mentioned in the passage. Now anything from outside also you can't make up. So that is also a wrong answer. So these are close options which will have part of your answer. And either half answer or more than what is asked, something extra, or some word will be changed. So like if we are talking about macroeconomics is a bigger picture and micro is smaller. And then in the option they change it to macroeconomics is a smaller picture and micro is bigger. And if you read the option in a hurry, you feel that macro, micro and small and big and all this is written, this should be the right answer. You don't read it carefully. That they have mixed the words. And that is what the CAT does, the ZAT does, they just change the words. So first decide what answer you are looking for, the points of the answer, and then match it with that option which has the maximum points. And sure enough, I can promise you that you will be able to eliminate the wrong options and get to the right option very, very fast and very accurately. Your accuracy will improve a lot, but it will take a little bit of time. So just try to do this for the next week. If you feel it's not working for you, you can always go back to your original style. But if it works for you, I can promise you, it will change the way you look at comprehension, and comprehension will be your strongest area. This is all from me. Do practice and do give me feedback on the video after you try this technique. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.